Hello friends, in this video I would like to talk about using technology for COVID vaccination in India. India's vaccination challenge is of a stupendous scale due to a huge population of 1.3 billion people. However, first let's see how all the countries are faring in vaccinating their people across the world. As we can see, Israel has completed more than half of its population both the doses. India is quite at the bottom of the table. However, we must note that these countries are fairly small in terms of population. The only country which can be compared with India in terms of the population is USA. So let's see how technology was used in USA. As we know, USA has a very strong internet penetration, or what we call a digital population as of today. So the solution in vaccination also assumes all the parties, including the user, the government and the service provider, can access technology to manage, govern and deliver the vaccine. So USA developed a very ambitious project at VAMS by CDC, which is a Vaccine Administration Management System, to be used in the vaccine delivery process. However, we could see on ground there were many reports of system instability and complaints on its usage. Many states stopped using them. The other platform, PrepMod, was also used in some segments. However, the systems were not very robust for mass public usage. Also, we could see all states in USA were not vaccinating at an equal rate because of awareness problems. Citizens who are more aware are quicker in getting vaccinated. When we see Indian technology usage in public services, we should understand that internet penetration is still less than 50% in India. Though in recent years mobile internet has increased, but still a large population cannot access internet. India has successfully used in technology despite of this in many public service delivery. One of the key one is Aadhaar based PDS system. In this system, food grains are made available using the Aadhaar biometrics. But the key point here is user just needs an Aadhaar card, while government and service provider need internet access to provide the service. This makes administration easier and does not force citizens to have internet access. In Indian vaccine context, we need to emphasize on two key aspects. One is very strong awareness program and another is using technology seamlessly for delivery. As of recent times, Government of India has used a platform CoWIN, which has had its share of glitches and responsiveness issues across India. For India, it is very important to understand how many vaccines needed at block level to efficiently manage a mega logistics to deliver them. India may not need a registration platform, as state-driven vaccination program can rely on Election Commission and Aadhaar demographic database to create a specific demand estimation for logistic purposes. Indian vaccination program should be used in similar way an Aadhaar PDS system works. The citizen need to go to a specific booth where data is readily available to supply specific numbers of vaccine and he or she can get vaccinated. The government and service provider will use the technology to deliver the service effectively. India must vaccinate like elections. In 2019 elections, EC had apparatus to reach 911 million people within 7 weeks. India has done similar Citizen Connect program very effectively in the past. Vaccination must be done at booth level within 2-3 days, focused campaign on every booth area. Coming back to using any new platform, we must understand IT systems need time to mature. Even very stable IT systems required to go through numerous stability cycles before terming it robust for public use of very large scale. India must use technology seamlessly and not make it a bottleneck in service delivery, which we are seeing both in USA and also in India. Thank you.